Wow. That was my first impression.
To me, one of the best design I've seen so far.
I'm a huge fan of anything that saves our contractors on a job site, saves their lungs, saves their skin.
I love it. I mean, to cut an 8-inch wall block, like no guy, it hasn't been done besides a demo saw. So
wow. That was my first impression. No, truthfully, it's game changing. I know that sounds cliche, but to be able to do everything you do with the 1550, a 21.5-inch blockbuster saw for RWBs, CMUs, and being able to pass that 8-inch without flipping and keeping everything contained without hooking up to backs, etc. It's just amazing.
This is what the industry needed for that 8-inch block, right? It's the ideal size, ideal blade. It's gonna change the way we cut our blocks for retaining walls, and to me, one of the best design I've seen so far.
And again, with that dust collection and everything else, once we got the contractors running it, they really didn't want to get off it. They just kept on running it all day. So really a lot of good luck, and yeah, we liked using it.
I'm a huge fan of anything that saves our contractors on a job site, saves their lungs, saves their skin, and the fact that it's doing three things at one time. It's cutting, it's vacuuming, and it's storing so that we can dispose of it properly, at the end of the site. So I'm a big fan of anything that's going to save the lives of our contractors.
Well, so my first impression was actually last year with it. Okay. So last year you guys actually had that saw, and I'm actually this is why I like working with this company, is I'm really glad to see the changes. So a few of us hardscapers suggested a hook at the top of it, and also the fork skids on the bottom. So it's a big machine. So it's really cool to see that you guys actually listen to the hardscape community and make those changes before you rush a saw. So you guys held back a little bit, spent a little bit more time on it, and I think you're gonna get a better turnaround and product out of that. And I love it. I mean, to cut an 8-inch wall block, like no guy, it hasn't been done besides a demo saw.
Oh,